Hello everyone, today I am going to play Ratchet and Clank to show you some glitches, okay? Okay. You can go do a lot of things here. Just take out this gun and you can like shoot it if it's like a white spot. Like you can shoot it up here, now you're on the rocks with this gun. You could go a lot of places with this tank bot glove. You can go like on top of this tree. Like, come on. There we go. See that? Now it's launching. While it's launching, it'll bring you right to it. Now you're on top of this tree, and you can go on top of these rocks and everything. See, you're in the rocks and stuff. But the thing is, if you have if it's upgraded to its fullest, you only have 30 seconds to explore around the place that you want. So I'm just gonna die. And really, you can go with this gun. You can go a lot of places with this one gun in every planet. That's really just it right now for this planet. I'm gonna just show you all sorts of places where you can do the using the tank bot thing. Next planet. Here I am on planet No Attack, where I'm about to show you this one thing that's kind of odd. Maybe I should just call it a bug or something. So here we go. All you gotta do is jump in here, keep on jumping. Look very closely. You see, I'm still in the water, but then I just died. Very odd. Okay, I'm just gonna skip over to the next place. Okay, here I am at this place where you have to do a lot of stuff with the Terminator, whatever you want to call it. And what you do is you get to here. You keep on just wall jumping really until you get on top. It's pointless, but it's kind of fun doing it sometimes. Okay, here we go. So I should call this the drowning mega turrets, I guess. Okay. Now you just take out your mega turrets, lay a bunch out. And then you take out the Terminator and drown him. Very pointless, but sometimes nice to see. Here, I'm going to show you something else. Here we are on a nice bridge ledge in a wide open space. With your meteor gun out. I'm going to show you guys a meteor shower. Oh my god, meteors are attacking our town, run, holy shit. We're all gonna die. Do this forever. If you keep doing it, the red part coming out of the meteors will start disappearing like that, see? It's crazy. Look, all the meteors. Oh, our town is gonna blow up. Oh no. Oh my god. Well, anyways, here I'm gonna change weapons to the hover bomb. or tetra bomb gun if you have upgraded. All you do really is just shoot it up, and you can like when it gets really high, you could just make fireworks. So kind of cool. Fireworks.